Is that the sign for help?
Yes. This.
Sebastian, what are you doing?
This. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Another one.
You're learning all those signs, huh?
Yeah. Meow, 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 meow.
What's that?
Meow.
What's that for?
And a dog.
What's meow for? That's the cat, right?
That's meow, 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 meow,
Uh-huh.
meow.
Oi, Sebastian. Do you want to play with that?
Sorry, broken.
Mm-hmm. How does he say sorry?
This one.
He makes a circle with his hands, right?
Really? How does he say sorry?
This one.
Whoa.
That's right, Anise. That's right. He says, draw a circle on the chest. He goes like this. Sorry. Sorry. You make your chest this way. You go sorry. Sorry.